Hey guys, how you going? Right, I'm just going to show you, I don't normally show scrapping videos, but these are these are two welding leads that I've just sort of cut open. Here are the handles. That's the welding handle there. So I've just sliced them open. These are all metal bits, ferrules and stuff, so that's all steel and plastic. So anyway, I'm just going to show you, this is actually these blue handle ones. These blue ones I've found out, they're the ones with their aluminium core. I'll show you how much wire's in here, but it's aluminium. It's aluminium and it's like that. Aluminium, but it's actually copper coated aluminium. So you'll see a video that I've done before. Well, this is where I get them from. But in the welding glanced, this bit here was stuck to that, so I've actually cut that in half. You can see the line there. So that's actually pure copper, and then you get a fair bit of brass out of it. So that's the brass that I got out of it, and they're the little bits that I got out of the ferrules. So I'll just set you up, and then I'll show you what else is left. How much we get out of these two cables. Alright, so I'm just going to use a knife now. It's actually pretty easy to actually split open. So this is actually, when you get the copper ones, this is like gold. But, these are the aluminium ones, so not too fussed on the aluminium, but it's a good clean aluminium, so that's the only good thing about it. I don't usually recycle this trigger wire, but get a fair bit out of it. If this was copper, you'd get 2 or 3 kilos out of it. But I think I'm only going to get 1 kilo of aluminium. So this is one lead. So we've got 2 leads here. And you'll get a bit of cottony stuff in there, so you'll watch out for that. Yeah, so it takes time to do scrapping, so I don't usually do a video, but I'm going to enjoy the afternoon sun. Oops, sorry. Coming out the end. So I'll just show you this one. Oh, there we go. Let me just take that apart there, like that. That's turning into a mess, so I'm going to cut that now. There we go. So that is one. That is one of those leads. So I'll do the other one and then I'll show you the whole lot. Alright, so I got those bits done and I've wrapped them all up. And this is what you get out of 2 welding leads. You get all that brass. You get one little copper thing out of that one. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get about 3 bundles in a welding lead. So just weighs about 1 kilo. But you know it's aluminium. You can see where I've cut it. You can see it's aluminium right there. It's not copper. Hey, but still it's nice clean aluminium. Anyway, there you go. I hope you like that scrapping video. The brass is nice and clean, so that's nice. Alright, I'll see you next time, guys. We're probably going to melt aluminium next week. So there you go. Alright, catch you next time. Alright, so our brass bin. That's there. That's a mixture of brass and copper, so I'll just put that in there. And this is our aluminium bin we're going to go by. So I've already got 3. Oh, I've already got 3 in there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put that in there. Right, that's our aluminium bin we're gonna melt next week. And a little bit of brass. There's not much brass there. Anyway, that's a mixture I've got to go through. Still got a fair bit of scrappy stuff in here. But yeah, I can strip all that later. Still got some pipe there. Still got that there. Anyway, there you go. We're going to melt some aluminium. We got these big pipes too. I'm going to do as well. Should be good. Alright guys, see you next time on the next video.